Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're looking at a townhouse in Envigado. We're just up a little bit in the hills of Envigado. Stick around towards the end of this walkthrough and we're gonna go over on the map to show you exactly where we are and what's around you. So walking into this property, we have 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. You saw the living area there and the kitchen. Here's the back patio, which has a lot of space for, barbecues, having friends and family over. There's the kitchen once again. So the kitchen and the bathrooms were recently remodeled in 2021. There's a glimpse of the community as well as the front deck, and that front deck is amazing. I think it'd be awesome to have, coffees in the mornings or, just enjoy the afternoons. We're gonna head upstairs to the bedrooms there. And you have a lot of space here. You have 116 square meters of space. So this is great for someone that has a family who wants space, natural light, and they want to live in a quiet residential environment because it is a gated community with 24/7 security. You also have a pool and a children's playground and a dog park as well. Here's the other guest bedroom there with a more spacious balcony. It's one of the more spacious balconies than the other ones. And then we're gonna walk right into the master bedroom and the master bathroom as well. So I'll let you guys finish walking through this property and then we'll go over and check out where it's located on the map. All right, let's look at the listing of this property. It is on our website. If you want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you'll have all of the information, all of the details for this townhouse, as well as down below in the description of this video, I'll have it listed there. So let's scroll down to the map to show you where we are. Again, we're in Envigado. We're in a neighborhood called El Trianón. There's the indicator of the where the property is located. Let me go to Google Maps because I have it all marked out to show you what's around you. And you probably get a clear picture of where we are. So this yellow area, this is all El Trianón. And then the orange area right here that I have marked out, that's where the property is located in that general area. And El Trianón, if you don't know where that is, it's in like the southern area of Envigado. So I'll zoom out. This green patch that I marked over here, this is where the main park of Envigado is. I'll kind of zoom in a little bit to kind of give you an idea of the distance there. So that's the main park of Envigado, El Trianón, just a little bit south of it. And again, you're up in the hills, so you probably have a car, you probably have a motorcycle, right? This is residential living. And so you're about 10 minutes of driving distance to the main park of Envigado. And you're also about 5 to 10 minutes driving distance to the Envigado Stadium, which is right here, this green patch right here. You can go there and watch the Envigado soccer team. You can also go do exercise. They have basketball courts, so you can go play Tejo there as well. So you're about 5 to 10 minutes driving distance, and you're also, I'd say, 10 minutes away from the Mallorca shopping mall, which I have marked out over here in purple. And then there's the Itagüí station right there for the metro line. And if you see this gray line right here that kind of goes in between everything, that's the Carrera 43A, that's Avenida El Poblado. So you can drive down there and then take that road to go up to El Poblado if you wanted to go to Provenza or anything like that. So that's the neighborhood of El Trianón. It's very residential, it's peaceful and quiet. You're just up a little bit in the hills and it's safe as well. That wraps it up for this townhouse in Envigado. If you guys are interested in this property, or maybe you want to look at something else, something different, maybe something in Laureles or in El Poblado, or maybe you saw something else on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you as soon as possible. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.